Hi there and welcome. My name is Tony Khan and I'm the municipal agent for the city of Stamford. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to fill out the rent rebate application. If you're a senior or someone with a disability, this process can help you receive a rebate on your rent and utilities. Let's make this simple and easy to follow so you can complete the application with confidence. Ready? Let's get started. This is the rent rebate application. We are going to go from step 1 through 12. Step 1, name and personal information. First, we start with your name. In the top section, fill in your last name, first name, and middle initial. Then, enter your birthday in month, day, and year format. Don't forget your social security number right here. Step 2, spouse's information. If you're married or live with a partner, you will also need to provide your spouse's information. Fill in their name, birthday, and social security number. Step 3, mailing address. Next, provide your present mailing address. Be sure to write out your city or town. Don't abbreviate it, and enter your state and zip code. Step number 4, rental address in Connecticut. You will need to fill out this section only if your rental address is different from your mailing address. Rental address here, including your city or town, state, and zip code. You must have lived in the state of Connecticut for at least 1 year before your application is submitted. Number 5, filing status. Now, let's move on to your filing status. Check the box that best describes your situation. Are you married, unmarried, in a civil union, or you are a surviving spouse? If you are a surviving spouse between the age of 50 and 65, please be sure to provide proof. Now we move to step number 6, rent and utilities. Next, you will need to tell us what percentage of your rent and utilities you pay. For example, if you pay 100% of your rent and utilities, enter 100%. If you share the rent with someone else, enter the percentage that you pay. 7, total rent and utilities paid. Enter the total amount you have actually paid for rent and utilities. This should be the amount you are responsible for, not including any assistance from other programs such as Section 8 or Senior Housing Subsidy. 8, tax filing. Did you file a federal tax return last year? If you did, check yes and attach a copy of your tax return. If not, check no. This helps us to determine your eligibility for the rebate. 9, public assistance recipient. If you receive public assistance, such as cash assistance, please know that your rebate might be lower than the tentative amount listed. We will take this into account as we process your application. Step 10, renting in Connecticut for the entire year. Did you rent in Connecticut for the entire year? If the answer is yes, you can move on to Section 12. If not, on Section 11, you will need the dates you rented. Just fill in the start month and year, and the end month and year. Step 12, income information. Now, let's talk about your income. We need to know about the income you received last year. This includes things like wages, pension, Social Security benefits, and any other taxable income. Let's go through it step by step. A, gross income. This is your total amount from all sources such as wages, lottery winning, or taxable pension. B. Non-taxable interest. This includes any tax-exempt government bonds. C. Social Security or railroad retirement. Don't forget to attach your SSA 1099 form. D. Any other income. This can include things like SSI or veterans benefits. E. Total income. Add all the amounts from section A through D and enter the total amount here. Affidavit. Finally, we reach to the affidavit section. This is where you certify that the information you have provided is true and complete. By signing, you agree that the information is accurate, and you give permission to the Department of Social Services to verify your details. Remember, making a false claim could result in a fine or other penalty. Now you can sign and date the application, and don't forget to include your phone number. If someone is helping you with the application, make sure to provide their relationship to you. And that is it. You don't need to write anything on this part of the application. Once you have filled out the application, double check everything and then send it in. If you have any question or need help along the way, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you through this process. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your rent rebate application.